c'est la descente paradis, ouais.
Déjà fait le taxi.
This is inside of Logos village, the last stronghold of ISIS. These are the trenches digged for civilians, according to the SDF spokesperson Mustafa Bali. Those ones, and meanwhile in the background, you see strong clashes. Now we are trying to go to Tent City to see where all these people have been staying for a long time. Because of the security situation, only a number of people are allowed to come here each time. So we are a group of 8, 4 vehicles each. We are visiting the camp right now. This is the tent city. People have been staying here for weeks. This is one of ISIS tent city. This is a shelter, looks like digged for civilians. We can see clothes, blankets. According to the STF officials, people were staying here before they evacuated the camp. So this is inside of the camp, one of the farthest points that we were allowed to camp because the fighting is ongoing. Sometimes you hear on recording. This is the safe zone we are allowed to be. So this is inside the village of Vakos, the last ISIS stronghold in Syria.
Prenez toujours l'ombre, hein. Jamais le soleil.
كله مع بعض كله ايد واحده حتى هلا
When we see civilians, we take our precautions accordingly.
بلند ريكورد بلند بس ريكورد صوت
Is
صوت.
there another position from here, from YPG or from FDS between here and the jihadists?
اوكي
Okay, sorry.
كم يركب 1 minute كم 1 minute.
He's trying to
والله
do an
تيجي
interview.
قبل اليدوانك ما نبي.
What?
He's trying to do an interview, I think.
But he was doing an interview. GM Lee, je crois.
Thick smoke rising now. Soner.
last night. It was a suicide bomb last night.
بس عسكري.
This is the farthest SDF point. You see after the SDF shelling, there's a thick smoke rising now. I'll try to focus so you guys can see. Meanwhile, coalition jets are flying over the sky. The jets are since last night, since the offensive started, they are continuously flying